BNHPhotoVideo.com, the one-stop shop for all your photography and videography needs and the home of outstanding customer service. Click the link in the description to check out my list of recommended products.
What's up, Internet? JD Nitro here to bring you another product review, and this time it's a product that I ordered immediately after seeing the infomercial at 2 o'clock in the morning. This is the Copper Chef. Let's get it. Oh yeah, here's how the Copper Chef comes. Just a plain cardboard box with a little bit of writing on the side. TriStar right there, quantity 1, made in China. Fragile, handle with care. There should be an exclamation point right there, but there isn't one. Let's go ahead and get into it. Well, that unboxing took a little longer than normal, and now for a jump cut. Alright, so with the camera readjusted, let's take a look at the Copper Chef. We have the lid here, says right on it, Copper Chef. Got a little steam hole right there. We have an insert here. Okay, it is 1 pan, 6 ways to cook. You can broil, bake, steam, fry, stew, slice, and dice. No, not really. So, before use instructions, cleaning care, we'll look at this later. Oh, look there. There's a customer service number. We might need that later. As for the skillet itself, smooth on the inside, copper finish out here, steel bottom plate here, which makes it compatible with induction cooktops, which is super because that's what I have. And this feels like a hollow aluminum handle. Obviously, that's to keep it from heating up when you're using it. It's not too heavy, actually. It's a little bit on the light side. So that is the Copper Chef skillet. Let's go into the kitchen and see if it really is non-stick. So what are my thoughts on the Copper Chef? Well, obviously, I have to point out the false advertising. In the commercial and in the instruction booklet that came with this skillet, they make the outrageous claim that you don't need any butter, you don't need any oil, you don't need any type of lubrication, that the non-stick copper impregnated ceramic coating is sufficient. As you saw in that demonstration, that's an outright lie. You need a little butter. You need a little oil. You got any lard? Put that in there. You need some type of lubrication in this skillet, just like a Teflon skillet needs a little lubrication. Now, it's obvious that this is supposed to be a replacement to Teflon skillets. But honestly, there's nothing new about this product. I mean, ceramic coated cookware has been around for at least 10 years now. Now, they claim that theirs is better because it has millions of tiny little copper nanoparticles infused in it, and it's supposed to give better heating and increased durability. I can't say that I have seen a difference. I've used ceramic coated cookware before. I've used cast iron cookware. There's really no difference between this and other ceramic coated skillets on the market. Now, with all that said, the question has to be asked, how does it cook? Answer, pretty good. I've been using it now for a little over a month, just as my daily bacon and eggs skillet, and I haven't had any issues with it. As you can see here, I decided to brown some meatballs. Now, I did not add any oil to the skillet. Rather, I used the natural oils of the meat. And as you can see, it's sliding around pretty good. Now, after browning those meatballs, I put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about, let me think, 20-25 minutes to finish cooking them, and it worked just fine. The skillet survived being in the oven. No issue there. There's one thing that bothers me quite a bit about this, other than the false advertising. The handle. Now, it is a hollow aluminum handle with a little thumb divot right there. Okay, so your thumb has a place to rest. Now, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that, except for the fact that this handle heats up. Not so much back here, but right in here, from here up to here, about where your thumb rests, gets hot. Noticeably hot if you're cooking on high heat. So if you were, say, sauteing a steak, you're not going to want to have your thumb right there. It's going to get kind of toasty. I don't understand why they didn't insulate this handle better. Instead of this being hollow, they should have filled it with some type of heat-resistant material. That would have been a nice touch, but for some reason they didn't do that. As far as even heating, you get even heating because it has this plate here, which allows you to use it on induction cooktops. As far as the top, well, it's a glass top. Enough said. The bottom line for the Copper Chef, it's a good skillet as far as non-stick skillets go. There's nothing new or special about it. Is it non-stick on its own? It's about as non-stick as Teflon. You still need butter, you still need oil or some type of lubrication. So the bottom line, I give it a 6.5 out of 10. The false advertising has hurt its score, okay? I'm taking 2 points away for false advertising. 6.5 out of 10. And yeah, I'd recommend it. And that's going to do for this prog review. I am JD, false advertisement hating Nitro. Liking, commenting, and subscribing is still the official order for doing things. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm out.